Midnight eyes, and I forgot my name. You touched my soul, I'll never be the same. Fell too fast, couldn't hit the brakes. Now I'm wide awake, and I lose control. Velvet lips with a bullet tone. You say one word and I'm overthrown. Every glance, every line you throw cuts too deep, but I need that blow. Got me twisted, losing time. You're a fever I can't define. Your love, don't ask, it just takes, and I give it all, no breaks. I know this ain't sane, but you feel like fate. Baby, wreck me slow, I won't hesitate. I lose control when you're near. Like a ghost, I keep you close, unclear. You're the vice I can't escape. Sweetest pain, my favorite fate. Touch me once, I fall apart. You own every piece, every scar. I don't beg, but you're my soul. I'm alive when I lose control. Ooh, I lose control. Yeah, I lose control. Backseat nights and blood red skies. Your silhouette got me hypnotized. No rules, no lines, no lies. Just instincts and alibis. I say stop, but I want more. Addicted to this open door. Your chaos wraps around my skin. Don't save me, I'm all in. You break me, then heal me. You steal me, then feel me. I'm gone, and I don't wanna know if this is love. Don't let it go. I lose control when you're near. Like a ghost, I keep you close, unclear. You're the vice I can't escape. Sweetest pain, my favorite fate. Touch me once, I fall apart. You own every piece, every scar. I don't beg, but you're my soul. I'm alive when I lose control. I've tasted peace, but it felt too slow. With you I'm fire, I'm edge, I glow. There's beauty in the way we break. You're my worst and best mistake. I lose control in your flame. Don't want mercy, don't need shame. Say my name like you mean sin. Pull me under, I'll let you in. You're the heaven I'll never know, but I die just to lose control. Ooh, I lose control.